Take your motorcycle audio system to the next level with the next generation of TMS5x7 speakers from Rockford Fosgate. Purpose-built for the motorcycle environment, these speakers are engineered to deliver powerful, balanced sound with the durability and reliability riders demand. Designed to revolutionize on-bike audio, this next generation lineup delivers enhanced mids, powerful bass, and ultra-clear highs for a listening experience that stays clear and dynamic on the road. Built from premium materials and engineered for real motorcycle conditions, these speakers set a new standard for performance, fitment, and long-term reliability. Now, these speakers are precision-tuned to deliver high output with deep, extended low-end response, featuring long-throw woofers, a large voice coil, and an extended frequency range. They produce stronger bass, louder output, and a more dynamic sound profile that brings your music to life on the open road. What really sets this system apart is how performance engineered every detail is, delivering up to 200 watts, twice the power of previous generation. These speakers are built for serious output. A heat-resistant motor structure and radiator ring help dissipate heat efficiently, maintaining consistent, powerful sound, even when pushed under demanding conditions. Installation is designed to be seamless. With direct drop-in fitment for factory mounting locations, these speakers make upgrading simple and clean. A finishing touch is a decorative Rockford Fosgate badge. It accents your factory speaker grills for an installation that looks as good as it sounds. And because these speakers are built for motorcycles, they're designed to handle the elements. As part of Rockford Fosgate's Element Ready lineup, they stand up to water, dirt, UV exposure, and motorcycle vibration. So no matter if you're riding through changing weather, long highway miles, or rough road conditions, your audio is built to stand the test of time. Whether you're upgrading or building a complete high-performance motorcycle audio setup, the next generation of TMS 5x7 speakers is built to deliver.